Welcome to our channel. ERD is an industrial electronic repair company that provides an industry-leading 3-year warranty. We don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. The TDK-Lambda EMS 600-1-6 is a rack mount variable DC power supply that has a maximum output of 600 volts DC at 1 amp total current. This power supply is mounted within a semiconductor tool and used for variable DC control in the process. This power supply came to ERD with a current limit problem, and after a complete and full rebuild, we were able to bring it back to original specification. As shown in the video on the meter, the max output of 600 volts DC is achieved and loaded using a resistive load. At ERD, we always load variable DC power supplies at multiple outputs and multiple current loads to ensure the power supply is fully capable out in the field. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more repair videos.